Let's learn to make a bird's nest from a coconut. Let's begin. Let's take a coconut shell and keep it like this. Now we will keep the coconut fibers in this. Now we will keep a cute little sparrow inside the nest. But something is missing. Right, the eggs. Now let's learn to make artificial eggs. Let's take a corn flour in the plate. Some more. Some more. And mix the glue in it. Mash it properly and make the shape of egg. We have made 3 eggs like this. Now let's put brown or green dots on it. Time to keep the eggs inside the nest. 1, 2, 3. The nest has become ready.